Okay, so if you have the scheduler up and running now, you're set up. It'll run the hopper as soon as the reaches the time. But I'm just going to run it here now so that we can see it open the tables and how it works. So I'll just double click on the hopper here and this will launch it. It'll just go through its usual license check, and then you'll get a pop-up here in a second just asking you have you set up the settings as per the PDF, and has the Shanky bots loaded, and then have you set your favorites in the lobby, and it's visible on top. So I'll just double check that here. Yeah, we have our favorites visible here and we're on the correct screen, so I'll click OK. So now we can see it's started running. Now, first thing you'll notice there is actually it moves the main lobby window off screen. Now, this is normal as the hopper doesn't need to see the buttons in order to click them. And this is one of the major benefits of our hopper, as it's the only hopper that can make all your selections without stealing the mouse focus or blocking your active tables here with the lobby window. So this in the end is going to result in less misclicks and less errors. And this is because you can see here that it's actually adding itself to tables, but it's not moving the mouse from you at all. It's not stealing the mouse in order to buttons. It's just doing it all by itself. So it's basically working autonomously there. And the same is also true when it comes to tables. I mean, you can have one table now set up and close that table without interfering with any of our active tables. So just while I was talking there, you see we've opened up two tables really fast, and the hopper's waiting on a waitlist to open more. Now, so that it doesn't interfere with the bot and allows it to connect properly, we have set that it will wait 30 seconds between opening tables. And this is just one of several kind of error procedures that are in place. So, I mean, there's other procedures that if for some reason the bot doesn't attach the table or an extra table is opened, if you're attached to the table and you're sitting out, it'll pick up this and it'll close these tables automatically. You'll also see down here in the system tray that you have your icons running here. Now there is the option to hide these as well in the INI file. It's a setting called Ninja Mode, which you can set to 1, and it will make these disappear. So there we have it. Actually, now we've bought in and sat down to our 4 tables like we specified. It's put them in the same positions as we asked, and now the hopper will sleep until it catches one of these tables sitting out, and at this point then it'll rejoin waitlist and set ourselves up in a new table. So I see we're playing here. What I'm going to do is just click the sit out next hand button, and then you'll see that once we sit out, it'll pick up on that, it'll close the table, and then it'll immediately launch a new one. I'll just close this one too. So there you see now the hopper's just seen it sitting out, it's gone and closed the table, and it's done it again there. So this will start the whole waitlist procedure. Join them, and then very shortly we'll have one of our selected tables up and running. So you can see how it works very fast. It doesn't interfere with the games it's playing, and in general it's just very efficient. Now there's also, if you want to bring the main lobby full tilt, you can do this by pressing Control M, and that'll stop it from being hidden. Then there's various other shortcuts. If you press Control Y, it will close the main hopper, and Control X will close all the child's applications. So it may be just useful if you want to bring your log back into view for some reason. That concludes a demo. If you've not already downloaded the Hopper, I'd encourage you to give it a go. We have a 7-day free trial, and if you like, we can get you set up over TeamViewer for the first time so that you're up and going. As always, we're here to help. You're under no obligation to buy, and we're just very happy with our product, and we'd appreciate you give it a try, and we're sure you'll be really happy with it too. So, likewise, if you have any questions, you can send them to support@bulletproofhoppers.com. And please take the time to visit the website and check out our other products too. And the website address is www.bulletproofhoppers.com.